All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for our final end of day post wave report for the trading year of 2022. Not only is tomorrow Take Back Friday, but it's also the final trading day of the year. So who knows? Anything goes, anything can happen, and you just want to be ready for whatever transpires. Just keep in mind that Monday the markets will be closed in observance of New Year. So to everyone out there, Happy New Year. All right, let's jump right into it because we are late and I want to knock this out so I can go chill. All right, so here's what we're looking at for Take Back Friday. Here's how the markets are setting themselves up. We're going to start off with Tesla. This was a request from the trading room. And as you know, Tesla's been in the news because it was just hitting new 52-week lows every day for 2 weeks straight. Just, this is just the stock getting punished. And something interesting happened yesterday. You got a rally alert. Now, if you subscribe to the Pulse Waves at pulsewavetrading.com, you could have went to your dashboard under the U.S. Equity list. I think I may even have it under Dex's watch list. I don't recall, but you would have been able to see this rally alert signal. And then today we got that upside production, albeit on a looks like a gap on the open. But for the most part, the market is trying to signal a bottoming process. Bottom of the Kumo cloud at $190 would be the upside initial target. If this technical bounce bear market rally ever gets off the ground, that's where you're going to be headed. So this is definitely an interesting one to watch here as we move forward. Anything goes tomorrow. You never know. Volatility could be off the chain as well. Okay, this next one is a request. It's Avalon. Ticker is ALBT. All right, so this one had a nice little upsurge today. It already hit the initial upside target. The secondary upside target is around the 60 cents area. This is a bear market rally off of these fresh 52-week lows. So far the takeoff is looking good. As you know, we pop our way through these trades. So definitely, if you can, try to lock in some profit, even though technically this is really like the first leg up because you were consolidated after the initial thrust. So you may not be able to do anything. And the bottom of the Kumo cloud too, not only does it act as an initial profit target, but also a resistance zone as well. So definitely watch this one closely. All right, real quick, let's knock these out. All right, so here is your Litecoin. Let's get this one put up here. All right, so Litecoin right now is under the guise of a crash alert. It's been flip-flopping up here, but for the most part, you're not trending. You crossed over from bear market to bull market, but you're just not trending. The bears have temporary control of Litecoin. Taking a look at Chainlink, and you have similar situation. The bear market has reclaimed this. The bear market has relocked itself in on the downside and picking up downside momentum. Looking at XRP Ripple, you got the bear market rally that is just not able to get off the ground. This could turn green. I'm sorry, turn red. After Sundays, actually after Friday's close. So just keep in mind that the bear market looks like it's about to reclaim this too if it can't get up and running. It's right here near the bottom of the Kumo cloud too, which is acting as upside resistance. So this thing is still basically flat and has been flat, for quite a long time. So no opportunity there. Looking at Bitcoin by way of the futures, you're still flatline with a crash alert. So the nod's going to the bears on that one. As far as Ethereum is concerned, you're still flatline with the bullish bias on that one. We talked about gold. Here is GLD. All right, you've crossed over from bearish to bullish, but the bears are temporary, keeping the price contained at this point. Um, but at any day, any moment, it can relock in on the bullish side and start trending higher. So definitely one to watch going into the new year. Looking at the Russell, the ticker is IWM, and it's still flatlined to bearish. Taking a look at crude oil by way of OIH, and this one is flip-flopping now. We had a crash alert coming into today. Market rallied, and so you flip-flop. This rally alert cancels out the crash alert, and it looks like the bull market wants to reclaim oil to start off going into the new year, to end the trading this year and go into the new year. Definitely one to watch tomorrow to see how this thing moves. NASDAQ 100 has a rally alert for tonight into tomorrow's trading for the NASDAQ 100 futures, and this is the QQQ. So rally alert for the QQQ. Tomorrow, the Kumo cloud back around the 280 mark is the initial upside target if the rally can get legs behind it. As far as the Dow, by way of ticker DIA, we got a crash alert for the Dow for tomorrow, and you have a flat line bearish bias. So the stock indexes are still widely mixed. Take a look here at the S&P 500, again, bearish. Take a look at, excuse me, the long bond. The ticker is TLT, and the market keeps hitting new weekly lows. So we're calling this one still for the bears. And then last but not least, the US dollar. Ticker is UUP. And you can see here that the dollar, all right, this is important. We've got to talk about this red diamond. That is a positive bot check showing massive shorts or some type of algorithmic trading. Something is happening in this market today. Something happened. So I'm expecting a major down move to come in the dollar. This is not good. You don't want to end the year like this. And you definitely don't want to start the year with a crash in the dollar. Wow. I know. Hey, don't shoot me. I'm just a messenger. And as far as silver, by way of SLV, bearish. All right. It can relock in too. All right. So in a bull market, it can relock in. But right now, the bears are keeping prices at bay. All right, folks, that's what it is. I'm tired. I'm going to get some rest. We had a great year. I think it ended quite nicely. And I'm expecting 10 times as much profit opportunity potential for 2023 with all the talks of economic chaos and just total economic and financial anarchy. We thrive as traders off of calamity. So be prepared, man. Hopefully you have your trade disciplines and everything in check. If you were procrastinating and didn't go to PulseWaveTrading.com and sign up to receive your free 14-day trial, then this is the best time to do it, as we're about to start off a new year. We're going to end this year and start off a new year, and you definitely want to start off correctly. These markets are going to be moving very fast and furious, and they're not going to wait for you. If you miss these trading opportunities, then you just miss them. These opportunities and situations probably will not come back around in our lifetime. Certainly not mine. Maybe some of you younger people might see something similar, but I doubt it. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity. All right. I wasn't around to see the 1929 crash, and neither were you. Well, we're expecting another 1929 type of an event to come and rear its ugly head in 2023. So they're closing all the exits. Katie bar the door. The only opportunity for you to really make some income, a strong income stream for yourself, will be through the financial markets. All right. And that's just how it is. You don't have to like it, but you do have to deal with it. All right. So markets aren't going anywhere, but unfortunately, a lot of people's livelihoods are. So trading is going to be your get out of jail free card, your escape, your ram in the bush, your blessing. And in order to get into these markets, there's no way you can trade these markets consistently profitably without the pulse waves. And that's just a fact of life. So get with the program, stop playing and procrastinating, because you don't want to be limited to universal basic income as your only means of survival. All right. Don't depend on the government. And with that being said, remember the system works if you work the system. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back, because bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. Happy New Year to you guys. See you in 2023. I'm out. Peace.